Well guys, your journey begins just right here, and I hope you're excited because I am excited for you, because you're about to learn the strategy that will not just help you make a regular profits, monthly profits for yourself, but also teach you what kind of mindset it's required to make a success in the markets. So guys, let's talk about the course objective. First of all, who am I and what's my professional background? Well guys, this is myself, Zach Harris. By profession, I'm a financial trader and financial analyst, but I've been trading the markets for the last 14 years. I've founded 3 companies across UK and Ireland, just because I've realised that my real passion is in teaching others and helping others to achieve their financial goals from trading the financial markets. Now guys, we all know it requires a strategy, some technical indicators, technicalities, but the real secret of success in the market is your mindset. Nothing else. And that's what I'm good at. I'm good at teaching you and help you develop a specific type of mindset that help you achieve success in the markets. Now, this is a very unique strategy, very straightforward strategy that will require no more than 30 minutes every week to make a regular profit for yourself from FTSE 100 equity market. Very straightforward, very easy to learn. Now, what is our goal? Guys, ideally, I want my students to make an income from financial markets, but this is totally up to yourself. Now again, I like to say to you, this is not something for everyone. So that is why this course is a perfect opportunity for you to dip your toe into the water and see what exactly you like to achieve from financial markets. Do you want to achieve an income or an extra income source if you are already working somewhere, or simply grow your current wealth? So it's totally up to yourself. You got to ask yourself, let us know, and what we will do is we will actually set your targets. Not only set your targets, but we also will help you achieve your financial goals. Now let's talk about the bonus strategy, guys. The bonus strategy we have for you is our lifetime free membership. Yes, you have heard me right. It's a lifetime free membership. It won't cost you a dime, but what you will get from that is a weekly podcast series plus your market analysis. More importantly, this membership side will help you develop a mindset, a specific mindset that will help you achieve your financial goals from market. Plus, this mindset will also help you make a success in the markets. Now, once you finish this course, guys, now I have another thing that I've got restored for yourself. If you enroll into this course, I'd be more than happy to give you one-to-one 1-hour online recap. Either we could do it over Skype, or else I've no problem giving you a quick bell onto your mobile phone or your landline or conference calls, and I'll give you the full recap plus mindset training once you finish your course. So I'll leave my email there as well towards the end of the course. All you gotta do is just email me, or else just email me on this platform, and I'd be more than happy to give you the mindset training. Thanks very much, and I hope you're looking forward to your course. Have a great day. Guys, this is the time I'm gonna give you the introduction to this strategy. But before I jump onto the strategy, I want you to ask yourself, like a lot of people get really cautious, is there really any strategy that can make an extra income on the side or an income from financial markets? So yes, there are plenty of strategies, because all the successful traders are using these strategies. So you gotta ask yourself, are there certain types of people making a nice living from the markets? If there are there any specific strategies they're using? Then what are those strategies? More importantly, can you learn these strategies? Now the last question, if you do learn them, would you be able to apply these strategies and profit from markets on a regular basis? Now, let me tell you a secret, okay? We are the School of Economic Trend, okay? What our trading method is a strategic method for trading the financial markets, includes very specific proven strategies. that has been used a number of years and produced successful results from uncertain environment. Okay, because market is a very uncertain place. You have to have a strategy no matter what happens. Either markets are going up, economies going up or going down, markets are going up and going down, you'll be able to extract profit on regular basis. That's what would be a strategic method, and that's exactly what we're about to show to you. We're about to teach you what exactly these mechanics are. Now, all we would require you to do is have desire, have discipline and decisiveness to make a success in the market. As long as you've got these treble D's, that's what I call it, treble D's. Desire, discipline, decisiveness. Take action and make profit from the markets. Now guys, the strategic, the School of Economic Trends method to profit from the markets are 3 simple steps. No rocket science involved in it. 3 simple steps. Step number 1 are the companies. You need to know what companies to trade on. So we trade on London Stock Exchange, and in FTSE 100, okay, on London Stock Exchange altogether, they've got over 2,500 companies listed altogether. But what we done is we picked only 15 companies that we like to trade on. There are reasons behind that too, that why we like to trade on these companies. Now, that's what you're going to be learning in this strategy. When you in this course, you'll be given all these 15 companies, which is the 50% of the secret to make a success by using this strategy. Now, step number 2 is technical and fundamental analysis. Now, when you want to make an investment decision, there's no other third type of analysis. There's only 2 analyses. Either you could actually do technical analysis or fundamental analysis. So we are going to show you what sort of technical indicators we use when we make an investment decisions. Third, it's the last but not the least, it's the risk management. As I mentioned earlier, the stock market is a very uncertain place. So you want to be 110% certain every time you place in trade, every time you're getting involved in the markets, you want to be 110% certain that you have some sort of risk management system in place. Just in case if it take a turn against you, if it doesn't go the way you're anticipated, make sure you're very well protected. And that's it also we're gonna teach you. 3 simple steps, but the massive results, and that will actually make you a massive success in the market. So guys, I hope you look forward to it. Let's move on to your module number 1. Well guys, welcome to module 1. Module 1 is all about stocks, equity trading, and what's the difference between long and short trading. Now, what is a stock? A stock is a type of security that signifies ownership in a corporation and represents a claim on part of the corporation's assets and earnings. Now, what is equity trading? Now, in finance, equity trading is the buying and selling of company stock shares. Shares in large publicly traded companies are bought and sold through one of the major stock exchanges. Now, what is the difference between long trading and short trading? Now, the long trading, guys, defined as the buying of a security such as a stock, commodity, index or currency. It doesn't matter what financial product it is. Once you buy that commodity, index or stocks, and you expect if it rises in value, okay, the assets will rise in value and you make profit from it, that is called long trading. This is the only way most people would know that you buy shares, it goes up in value and you make profit. But there's another type of trading which is called short trading. Now, short trading defined as the sale of a borrowed security, commodity, index or currency. Again, any financial product whatsoever, but as long as you're buying it, you technically don't buy it, because when you buy it and if it drops in value, obviously you're gonna make a loss, you're not gonna make a profit. But instead of buying it, you're making speculation. That's the easiest way to understand that you believe that your stock will drop in value. Why? Because it's a borrowed security. It's not, you're not buying it, but you're you're making it in speculation that it will drop in value, and that's how you make money. That is why this financial industry is fantastic for anyone and everyone who ever wants to trade in the markets. Why? Because you can not only make money when the markets are rising, but you can also make massive profits when markets are declining its value. Now it's called short trading, and that's what we're gonna cover in this course as well, that how to do short trading as well, not just long. Now that brings us the end of module 1. Welcome to module 2. Module 2 is all about building your portfolio, making sure you have got the right companies to trade on. This is the major part. As long as you got the right companies, your 50% of the strategy is completed. Plus we're gonna show you how you can open a live demo account. Very straightforward and very easy. Plus we also gonna cover, once you've got the companies, how to identify trends and build your portfolio, so you have your portfolio of your own strategies, blue chip companies are ready, so you can start trading straight away. Now, first of all, how would you define portfolio? The term portfolio refers to any collection of financial assets, such as stocks, bonds, and cash, no matter what you're trading on. Now, portfolios may be held by individual investors like yourself or like myself, because we are retail traders. Plus, you can also say they're managed by financial professionals, hedge fund managers, banks, and other financial institutions. This is the list of the companies that you could add on to your portfolio. These are the major companies. Out of 2,500 companies, we have picked out 15 companies that we like to trade on London Stock Exchange. So let me just tell you what they are. WPP. They belong to media and communication sector. The market cap of that company was 15,000 million. We're talking about 15 billion market cap. So it's a major company, massive company. As you can see, all these companies are in billions, and these are the major companies. But the question is, why did we pick these companies? Because they suit our strategies. They've got a beautiful trend. They only move within certain price range, and as long as you be able to identify these price range, you can make profit in between 7-8% up to 20% every month to 2 months basis. Fantastic companies to trade on. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you, how to open your live demo account, plus how to actually add these companies onto your portfolio and have your watch list and have your own personal portfolio ready for yourself. Let's open a live demo account and show you how to add these companies onto your portfolio. On this video clip, I'm going to show you how to open your demo account. First of all, you go onto the Google and search for free demo trading account. Once you search for that, you have plenty of options over there. It's fairly straightforward. All you gotta do is literally fill out the form, confirm your email address. There you go, your trading account, like a demo account, is open. So you could actually start trading with your monopoly money. It's not gonna be real money, obviously it's a demo account, but that will actually build your confidence after getting few profitable trades. And once you're confident, then you can actually put your money to work for you like never before. So look, it's fairly straightforward. I'm gonna just show you how, for example, IG is fairly popular and very well known around Europe. If you're based in the UK and Ireland, all around Europe, it is very popular. IG, CMC Market, City Index, these are the platforms most people would know. But if you're based in US, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia, means you search for the free demo account. I'm sure IG is based all around the world. Other than that, you will find your local platforms free demo accounts you can open up. It's fairly straightforward. All you got to do is, for example, it's the same procedure no matter where you open an account. So I just clicked, I'm after clicking on try demo account, and you have to pick your username, your password, your name, surname, just some details there. Try your demo account. The next thing what they will do is they will send you the link to make sure that you're the right person and no one is using your details. All you got to do is just go onto your email and confirm the email. And once you confirm the email, you will go live. And remember that this, even though it's a demo account, it's real prices, real companies. So feel free to add these companies and make a watch list. So it's going to be the same procedure, but what I'm going to do is I am going to show you, I already have an account. I'm going to log on to my account and I'm going to show you how easy it is to add companies. Well guys, as you can see now, I have logged on to my own portfolio. It's an IG platform. As you can see, I have got my own watch list ready here. On the bottom left, we've got the watch list. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to name a watch list. I could call it portfolio, my personal portfolio, or trading portfolio, equity portfolio, whatever you want to name it, you can name it. As you can see, I've got good few portfolios here. And what you need to do is literally click on new watch list. You name your watch list here. I'm gonna say my personal portfolio, or personal portfolio. There you go. You're gonna click on submit, and there is the little box here, as you can see, just underneath the finder. Now guys, if you're not using IG platform, no matter what platform you're using, remember that the procedure is always gonna be the same. It's not gonna be any difference. So all you gotta do is find where you can search for financial product or financial library, or along those lines, that you'll be able to search for companies, you'll be able to search for different financial products, no matter what you're trading on. At the moment, we're trading on FTSE 100 equities. Trading means like we're gonna pick out the companies, securities that you want to trade on. So there's the finder. You could either search, type up the full name, or ticker. Ticker is the short abbreviation for the company. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you how to do it. For example, there's one of the companies called Whitbread. We like to trade on that too. So all we want to do is we're going to click on Whitbread. We are going to, this is the Whitbread. We've got the sell price, buying price, today's change, what's happening today. Now remember that today is the October 6th of October 2016. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna click on the arrow pointing downward, add to watch list. Now again, I'm gonna repeat myself again. If you're using some different platform, you will have an option to actually add to portfolio, or add to watch list, or save into your watch list. So make sure you find that it has to be in around the company name. So as you can see here, if I click on add to watch list, and that's where I am, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to, my personal portfolio, there it is. I'm going to click on that and click on submit. Once I submit that will be added onto my portfolio. It's very straightforward. It's the same procedure. You got to find where you can search for financial products, type up the full name or the short abbreviation, as on our company list I have provided on the same module. You will have the name of the companies and the tickers, so you can search for them and add onto your portfolio. Once you do that, you will have your portfolio ready. Thanks very much guys, and that brings us to the end of module 2.